What's up guys, welcome to the channel. So today I'm going to make the chai. So let's get started. So I have here the cloves and the green cardamom, so which I'm going to crush it. Okay, so I'm going to put the turmeric. I wash already. This is turmeric. So I'm just wanna make this much. So this is ginger. My water is boiled, so I'm just gonna add my turmeric and ginger. Okay, so now I'm gonna add 2 spoons of black tea. Okay, I'm gonna put sugar, whole milk, okay, it's ready to serve now. Alright, ready to serve. This is much about it. Enjoy.